Monday.com is a project management tool that allows teams to organize, track, and collaborate on tasks and projects. It can be used for a wide range of activities, from software development and marketing campaigns to HR and customer service. To use Monday.com for project management, you first need to create a new board which represents a specific project or team. You can then add columns to the board which represent different tasks or stages of the project. You can add tasks to the board by creating items and assigning them to different columns. You can also add details such as due dates, labels, and comments to each item, as well as assign them to specific team members. Monday.com also allows you to create groups which can be used to organize and filter items on the board. This is useful for breaking down a large project into smaller, more manageable tasks. Monday.com has a variety of tools for collaboration and communication, such as the ability to mention team members and comments and attach files to items. It also has a built-in calendar view, which allows you to see all the tasks and their due dates in one place. In addition, Monday.com has a variety of integrations with other tools such as Google Drive, Trello, and Slack, which makes it easy to connect Monday.com with other tools you are already using. Overall, Monday.com is a powerful project management tool that allows teams to track tasks and projects, collaborate, and communicate effectively. It is easy to use and customize, making it a great option for teams of any size and in any industry.